Hello everyone, we are going to discuss about market structure. This is very important part in microeconomics, and also this particular topic related to the market structure. In this particular video we are going to study and discuss about elements of perfect competitive market and also the short run and long run equilibrium point in this particular market structure. Perfect competition market. Perfect competition market implies no revival among firms. Market structure characterized by complete absence of revival among the individual firms. This particular market structure have 5 conditions. We are going to discuss about that 5 conditions. First one is price taker, and the second one is the number of firms is large, no barriers to enter the industry, and also the firm product are identical, and also complete information about market and the competition and everything. Now take a look at demand curve for the firm and industry. That is different. Perfect competitive market supply curve is upward sloping, and also the market demand curve is downward sloping. The price will determine according to the demand and supply. That price will help to decide the firm facing price. This price will not change by any firm because the large number of suppliers and buyers are there. There is no any power to bargain or change this particular prices. Q is the production quantity, that is increase one by one. P is the production price. TR is total revenue. Total revenue can be imaged by P multiplied by Q. AR means average revenue. That can be imaged from total revenue divided by Q. And also MR calculated delta TR divided by delta Q. In this particular chart you can understand P is always 10, and also the average revenue also always taking the value of 10. Not only that, but also MR also taking value of 10. That means in this particular market structure, perfect competitive market structure, price and also the AR, that means average revenue, and PMR, those 3 components are in the same values. Profit maximizing output level, that means in perfect competitive market, not only perfect competitive but also other market structure also, margin revenue, that means MR, is the change in total revenue associated with the change in quantity. Marginal cost, the change in total cost associated with the change in quantity. The profit maximizing condition of a competitive market or firm is MR equal to MC. If MR greater than MC, a firm can increase profit by increasing output, and also if MC greater than MR, a firm can increase profit by decreasing its output. The profit maximizing condition of a competitive market is MC, that means marginal cost equal to MR. If marginal cost equal to marginal revenue, that firm will maximize the profit. In this particular market process, that means perfect competitive market, always price equal to marginal revenue. That means if you are going to profit maximize in this market structure, you have to equalize marginal cost, marginal revenue and the price. Just consider price is greater than marginal cost. The firm will decide to increase the production, That means you have opportunity to increase the production. Just consider marginal cost is greater than our price. Firm will decide now we are going to decrease the production. But if any perfect or any market structure firm equal that marginal cost to marginal revenue, that means you are not going to increase the production or you are not going to decrease the production. Then that's the production point. That means you are getting the perfect profit maximization point, total production quantity. That is the point. Short run equilibrium of the firm. The firm is in equilibrium at the point of intersection of the marginal cost and marginal revenue curves. The first condition for the equilibrium of the firm is the marginal cost should be equal to marginal revenue. The second condition for the equilibrium require the marginal cost curve should cut the marginal revenue curve from the below. In this graph, you can identify production quantity is 100 and the production price is 20, but the average cost is 10. Now we are going to calculate the profit. TR means total revenue. Total revenue calculated by P over Q. Then the price is 20 and the production quantity is 100. That means total revenue is 2000. And also then we are going to calculate the total cost of production. Total cost of production can be calculated AC over Q. That means AC means average cost, the cost for one production, and also the average cost is 10, production quantity is 100. That means total cost is 1000. And we can calculate the profit margin by TR minus TC. That means we are going to minus TR by TC, and also the profit margin is 1000. So the firm makes excess profit or loss depend on the level of average total cost at the short run equilibrium position. For the short run equilibrium, there may be two types of equilibrium position. First one is earning profit. Second one is earning loss. In this particular graph, show you earning loss situation. Now we are going to calculate the loss of this situation. Total revenue can be calculated P over Q. In this time, price is 10 and the production quantity is 100. That means total revenue will be 1000. On the other hand, average cost in this particular time is 12 and also the production quantity is 100. Because of that, production total cost will increase or pass the total revenue. That means you are earning loss in this situation. Profit is minus 200. Long run equilibrium in the industry. The industry is in a long equilibrium when prices is reached, which all firms are in the equilibrium production at the minimum point of LARC. That means long run average cost curve, and the making just normal profit. Under these conditions, there are no further entry or exit of firm in the industry. Now we are going to calculate the long run equilibrium normal profit. Under this situation, always price equal to average revenue and also equal to marginal revenue. In this position, marginal cost also equal to price and also the average total cost also equal to the price. That means total revenue and total cost will be similar. In this situation, total revenue is 1000 and total cost also will be 1000. That means there is no profit. All the income will be a cost for the production. That means that's a normal profit in the long run equilibrium position in the perfect competitive market situation.